Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious BBQ sauce for fried noodles using an easy method. We'll start by gathering just a few common pantry items. Then, I'll guide you through combining them quickly to create a flavorful sauce. Finally, you'll learn how to customize it to your liking and enjoy it with your favorite noodles. To begin, you'll need 1/2 cup of your favorite ketchup as the foundation for our sauce. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, which adds a wonderful savory depth. For a touch of sweetness, stir in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Finally, a small dash of rice vinegar will provide a bright, tangy note. Now, simply whisk all these ingredients together in a bowl until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Take a moment to taste your sauce and adjust any seasonings, perhaps a little more sweetness or tang. For a kick, add a pinch of chili flakes, or for an aromatic twist, try a small amount of grated fresh ginger. Once your sauce is perfect, toss it generously with your hot, freshly fried noodles. For an extra touch, garnish with some toasted sesame seeds and finely chopped scallions. This sauce is best enjoyed immediately to savor its fresh flavors. If you have any leftover, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.